Okay, this is our arsenal for New Year's Eve. We got all these minus a few packs we've already blown up for €3. All these suckers right here.
€3.
That's pretty cheap. Mine and those guys right there. We're gonna have fun with those too. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna have fun tonight, New Year's Eve, blowing this stuff up. And Charles says that everything's legal on New Year's Eve because you can't get arrested for anything.
No, you can't. It's basically gonna be a war with these.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
And the Polish people are gonna have these.
Yep.
We can't compete against these. We only have 2. And this kind of looks dangerous. Look, the thing, what do you call it?
Fuse.
The fuse is, you know, something. Okay. Anyway, and we're about to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna blow some more stuff up. He's got my penguin hat on. Which way are you throwing it, dude?
Did you feel that?
Yes.
That was loud.
Yeah, it was. Alright, here's one of the big ones. The big ones from Poland. We're gonna see what they do. Charles have a little trouble there. He's scared. We don't know. Whoa! Holy cow! That was loud. I felt it.